For IP configuration, go to Server Setup, IP configuration. Here, you can find information on the system IP configuration. For host and domain name, the host is the name assigned for the system, and the domain is the registered domain in your network. In this example, we shall change the host name to SMS and domain to company.com. For IP address, this is the IP address assigned to the server. In this example, we shall leave the IP address as 192.168.1.95. For the net mask, this is the subnet mask value of the network. In this case, we shall not make any changes and leave it as a Class C network. For gateway, this is the system that does routing to other machines in another network. In this example, we shall not change the gateway address and leave it as 192.168.1.1. For DNS server, this is the system that will resolve a valid host name and domain name. If you do not have a DNS server, set the IP address to 127.0.0.1. For email gateway, check the box to have all email that are sent out from the system bear the host name. After done, click Save. System setting will be updated. Click Activate Setting. This will activate the system setting. Click Go to Login page. You will be directed to the login page based on the IP address that was set for the system. Log into the system by entering the username and password. Click Admin Login. Go to Server Setup, IP Configuration. You will find the updated IP configuration for the system.